The NASDAQ has been on an absolute tear. Let's bring in Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. And Tim, a lot of people on Wall Street and on Main Street are scratching their heads about this market.
Yeah, I think, unbelievable to say the least here, especially with those mega cap NASDAQ names. And I'm actually thinking, it's coming to an end here in a, fairly convincing way. And I think these big cap names are getting so overvalued at some point, valuations will matter.
As you know, Tesla had that 5-for-1 stock split this week, and now the company is selling $5 billion in shares. Do you buy it?
Absolutely not. In fact, this morning I was just tweeting and talking about it. To me, 500, I came out and said 500 is the top in Tesla. 2,500, pre-split here. I think the fact that they're dumping $5 billion of stock, great for the company, bad for anyone who owns the company with shares. So I think this one has gotten way ahead of itself here. So same idea here because vol is up, implied volatility. Price of the options selling hourly money call spreads rather aggressively on Tesla as well. I just think these rallies have to come to an end somewhere along the way here.
What unusual options activity are you seeing in this market, Tim?
Yeah, a really unusual one on ACOM, which is a kind of an infrastructure consultant, but have seen big repeat buying in the December options. The 45 calls traded over 15,000 so far this week. More importantly, that implied volatility jumped up. The calls were actually up twice as much as the stock, which to me sets up ideally for a covered call trade. So I'm simply buying the shares, selling these very richly priced options, leaning bullishly with that call buyer out there, and really just looking for that vol to come in and get paid for the fact that I can sell in to this very aggressive buying.
Thanks as always, Tim.
You too. Take care, Andrew.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.